We've just acquired this Volvo XC60 diesel 2 litre. It's absolutely fantastic condition throughout. Alloy wheels are unmarked. Superb set of tyres on it. It's got rear park distance control, twin exhausts, bumper protector on the rear. It's got an electric tailgate. Got the tonneau cover there. Rear boot carpet protector and mats, all Volvo. Rear seats absolutely unmarked. It's obviously got electric mirrors, electric windows, full leather interior. It's done 68,955 miles. Climate control, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights, 6-speed gearbox, USB and AUX. It's got satellite navigation, 3-stage heated seats, Bluetooth. Really is a stunning looking car. If you need any further information, please call us on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.